Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. If you're new here, I am Mitra Binda and I make content on makeup, beauty, skincare, lifestyle, etc. So for today's video, I thought I'll be showing you guys my monthly favorite products, like my makeup, skincare products I have been hooked onto, or like the products I got my hands on. It's not a haul video of any sort, but it's more like the products I've been using for some time now, like especially this month. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So to start off, I have some lipsticks with me. Either I got these lipsticks this month or I'm using these a lot this month. So let's just get into those. So first I have this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love this lipstick. Like, oh my god, I really love the color. I'll just swatch it here. I absolutely love this color. It's also the color I'm sort of wearing. Like, I've mixed two more shades, but it's one of the colors I'm wearing right now. It lasts you for like quite some time and the color is extremely pretty. The next lipstick I have here is from Blur Cosmetics. It is there for me on your lips, not your lying ex. So it's a really nice pretty red color. I was not really happy with the way this came. This arrived at the end of July or starting of August, end of July probably. I've used this a couple of times, but it came broken, so I'm extremely unhappy about that. But I fixed this, so it's like good to go. But the color is really pretty. It's like a really nice blue undertoned red, which I absolutely love. I also got my hands on the Smashbox Mini Duo during the Nykaa Pink sale. These are the two lipsticks the duo had. One is their so famous Boss, which is an absolutely beautiful red, and the other one is this really beautiful pink shade called Gulabe. It is actually curated for Indian skin tone, which is amazing. I'll show you this color first. So this is Gulabe. It's an absolute beautiful looking color. It's so smooth and soft and it glides beautifully on your lips. And I'll also show you the Boss. I'll show you here. Yeah, okay. It just made its own space. So this is Boss. It's a beautiful red. If you want to invest your money and you like reds, I think this is a color you can go for because it's really pretty and it suits most of Indian skin tones. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I swear by this Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade medium 25. I love this particular concealer so much. This one because I'm almost over with the one I'm currently using. So yeah, that's there. So the next product I'll talk about is the L'Oreal Revital Micro Essence Crystal Micro Essence. So this is an essence which is supposed to penetrate 10 layers deep into your skin and make your skin become crystal clear. This is their mini size and I have been using it for a month now, and honestly I really like this product. The full size product is pretty expensive, so I didn't really want to buy that because I didn't want to waste my money. But after using this, I'm surely investing on the fuller size. I think this is a really nice product and thus it has made its way into my August favorite list. So yeah, I have one more makeup product, which is this Maybelline Superstay foundation. I know it's not a new foundation in the market or anything, but I recently got my hands onto this one and I have absolutely fallen in love with this because I don't know, like, dude, this matches my skin so perfectly. I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige and oh my god, it matches my skin tone and it's just the perfect coverage, you know. Like, if I'm going out for like a long day, I think this is the foundation to go for. If you're gonna invest on this, make sure to moisturize your skin and prep your skin well before. This is a matte foundation and can tend to make your skin really dry and you might get dry patches, so to avoid that, make sure to moisturize. But I really love this foundation. While we are still at makeup, I would quickly like to talk about this mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is in the waterproof variant. Oh my god, I cannot even. I have absolutely fallen in love with this one. I have seen a lot of bloggers, YouTubers and everyone in general talking about this, but I did not buy this because I love my Maybelline mascaras. But I really wanted to give this a try because I just thought why not. So I did, and I have fallen in love with this mascara. This is the one I'm wearing right now too. I really love the lift it gives my lashes. It's amazing. So if you want a good mascara, I'm surely gonna suggest this one. So I have been setting my brows with the soap brow technique since about a couple of weeks now. I really like the technique, and I was like, dude, it's really inconvenient for one person to actually carry this whole soap bar and go. I know we are not traveling anywhere right now, but you know, fingers crossed this lockdown might end and we might actually go out again. So you know, I was like, what to do. So then it came to me that, you know what, I can just melt the soap down and keep it into small containers so that I can actually carry it around with me, and it's way more convenient to keep in the makeup bag or the makeup pouch, right? So I had these tiny containers. I got them from Usupso. And they're like pretty convenient. They come with the lid and everything so that, you know, things don't spill, but this won't, it's soap. So what I did was, like, I took some, I dropped it. So I cut a little piece out of the Pure glycerin soap and I melted it over the induction, and I poured it into this tiny little jar looking thingy. It's like super convenient to use now, really easy to carry around with. So I think this is one of the favorite things right now. And this spoolie I got from Amazon. It was like super cheap. This came in a set of 3. This came straight. I've bended it for my own convenience, but yeah. So I'm going to talk about 2 skincare products I've been recently using and loving, honestly. So one is this Body Cupid Deep Clarifying Face Wash. I got this in PR, but this is in no way sponsored. So I really loved the way it makes my skin feel. It doesn't strip the skin off or anything, and the best part is it's sulfate, paraben, silicone free. So you know, it's like, it's a pretty darn good product. It retails for 299 rupees, but I'm sure you're gonna get some discount on Amazon. So this is a really nice face wash if you are from the dry skin or the combination skin family like I am. So yeah, this is a nice one. I also started using this Mamaearth Vitamin C face toner. I feel if you're looking for a toner, you can give this a shot, because I don't know, I'm using it, I really like this. But yeah, I don't know, like, I'm not endorsing it for you to buy, but in general it's like a really nice toner, and it has cucumber and vitamin C, which is like amazing for the skin. So yeah, I would also like to mention the Bioderma Sensi Bio H2O. It's a really nice mild micellar water. It removes the makeup really well, and it claims that one doesn't need to wash their face after using this, because after micellar water you should wash your face with like a face wash, but they claim that you are not supposed to do that because it's that mild, because it's mild as water. But I really like this product. I dropped it, so it has these bubbles, but then I have used it till here, and this is my 2nd or 3rd bottle, I guess. I think this is my 3rd bottle, but I really like this product. So yeah, that's there. My main hair problem is that my hair gets frizzy, and dude, it gets oily, and also the hair fall. Okay, it's like never ending. So last but not the least, I would like to talk about the Freewill shampoo conditioner thingy, and honestly I've been enjoying this product. So this is the shampoo. It has my name written, which is the texture is pretty runny. I require like 4 to 5 pumps of this to wash my hair. This is the conditioner, and I have used it this much. It also has my name written on it. I just get very happy when I see my name. And this is the serum, but it doesn't have my name on it, so I'm sure it's not specially curated for my hair, but it has like vitamin E and argan oil in it, so which is like pretty good for your hair. So I really like the way it makes my hair feel. I personally feel that it has reduced my hair fall to a certain extent, which is amazing. So my hair texture feels better. It's shinier. I know it's a bit pricey. Best part is it smells beautiful. It smells like strawberries. If you're looking for like a special curated shampoo for your own self, which is pretty good and works, I guess, because I don't know, see, everybody has their own hair type and everything. It did work for me, so that's why it's in my favorite list. I think it's a pretty nice investment all in all. So with that, we are at the end of this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed watching me, and if you did, do not forget to press that like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell icon if you feel to get notified when I come here for you guys. So I hope to see you guys again with another nice video. So until then, bye.